Double murder at People's Arcade in Montego Bay. Tension in Portmore after deadly incident. 4 shot, 1 fatally. Man fatally shot by police in Ocherios Plaza. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The St. James Police are probing the circumstances surrounding the discovery of the bullet-ridden bodies of a man and a woman with their hands bound at the People's Arcade in Montego Bay, St. James on Monday morning. Residents who gathered at the murder scene identified the deceased as Ricardo Green of a Glendevon, St. James address and Vanessa Hopkins of a St. Anne address. The victims are believed to have been shot at point-blank range. No motive has yet been established for the double murder. Police are maintaining a presence in a section of Portmore St. Catherine where 4 people were shot, 1 fatally, by gunmen on Monday. Reports are that about 2 p.m., a group of men were at a car wash in Bearton Meadows section of the city where 2 men walked up to the location with guns and opened fire. Reports are that the shooters chased 1 man at the location and shot him several times. The criminals then made their escape from the area. Police were called and the injured victims were rushed to the hospital. The man who was chased and shot was later pronounced dead. The name of the deceased has not yet been released. An unidentified man was fatally shot by the police at 8 Rivers Plaza in Ocherios, St. Anne on Monday. 2 other men were stabbed during the incident. 1 was treated and released from the hospital. More details to come following further investigations.